Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Dell XPS high-end notebook series, which is GQ with 12th generation core and GeForce RTX. So friend, Dell introduced their high-end notebook PC New XPS series, which is GQ with the 12th generation Intel core CPU. And friend, the new XPS series range includes two models: the new XPS 17 with a 17-inch LCD and new XPS 15 with 15.6-inch LCD. And friend, both operating system use Windows 11 Home or Pro and comes with huge capacity battery of 97 hours. And friend, the base configuration Platinum model of the new XPS 17 has the following specification: CPU Core i7-12700H, GPU GeForce RTX 3050, memory DDR5 4800, 16GB, storage 512GB, NVMe M.2 SSD, and liquid crystal resolution 1920 into 1200 dots. And friend, the network is EQ with killer Wi-Fi 6 1675 and Bluetooth 5.2 wireless LAN. And friend, Thunderbolt 4 into 4 SD card reader into 1 and 3.5 mm combo jack comprise the interface. And friend, the base configuration premium model of the new XPS 15 has the following specifications: CPU Core i5-12500H, GPU Intel UHD Graphics with built-in CPU, memory DDR5 4800, 16GB, storage 512GB, NVMe M.2 SSD, liquid crystal display. And friend, the screen has a resolution of 1920 into 1200 dots. And friend, the network is equipped with killer Wi-Fi 6 1675 and Bluetooth 5.2 wireless LAN. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.